as of 8 o'clock on the 12th of November be accepted and counted. This provisional ballot log shall be retained and incorporated into the minutes of the canvass for the November 5th, 2013 general and special election. These ballots are as follows.
We have scrupulously followed the spirit and the letter of the law as we understand it. We believe in equal protection, and under the Virginia Code we have statutory discretion. So the total we're looking at tonight is 489 provisionals that we have adjudicated today. Of those 489, we have accepted 271. We have rejected 218. Of those 489, 488 of those were passed unanimously or rejected unanimously, and one of them was rejected on a 2-to-1 vote. 160 for Herring. 160. 103 Obenshain. So, yes.
That's what I got too.
And our goal was to be as transparent and open as possible. That's why we've been trying to put out as timely and accurate information as we possibly can, because we recognize that all eyes are on us because we are the biggest shift, because we are the biggest in Virginia. And the bottom line for us is we had to get it right. We worked down to the minute, and I think I can speak for Seth and Steve that we're confident that we have got this right.